You can go jump into the pool if you want.
Hello Mzansi, it's a gossip girl. The actress Omuhle Gela has withdrawn herself from the upcoming season 11 of the competition show of Tropica Island of Treasure. She also did like a brief statement, which I'm not going to read, just telling us the reasons why and that she decided to leave that Tropica Island competition show. And then Khopolo posted this on Twitter X and captioned, "Hey at Tropica at SABC3 Productions, I have a suggestion for a replacement. Please choose Khosi Twala or Yolanda BBMS4. So Mzansi, we all know that Khosi is very competitive when coming to anything fitness, and active. But as for Yolanda, I don't know, but for her to be begging all the gigs, I think it is fitting because right now Yolanda is the big thing, and I'm sorry just to describe her as a thing, but she's the best person that is hip and happening right now in South Africa. So it is fitting for the show to want to pick someone that is popular. I saw the people that are going on the show and then I'm like, man, who's going to watch this? Not the last time that I remember that I watched Tropic of Island, it was when it was Bodales and them. I don't think, when I look at these people here, I don't think I'll be interested to watch the show, unless if they come up with something different from the previous seasons. But let me know in the comment section. And if you want Khosi Twala to be on the show as well as Yolanda and other maybe Big Brother housemates, go to Twitter, tag Tropica, tag SABC3 as much as you can. The two housemates that I saw that auditioned for the Tropica show, it was Bravo B and Neo Sibia. I saw the auditions earlier around, I think, March. So I don't see anyone on social media, tagging SABC3, to be quite honest, because they auditioned. Why can't they just go through that list and maybe pick either one of them? But now personally, I'm rooting for Neo because I saw her in the arena games. She was very competitive. But each to their own. This is just my opinion. You also have your favorites, So if you like any of the housemates, Mzansi, go and tag Tropica, be it on TikTok and Twitter and Instagram. Tag them, say like Tropic of Island, SABC3, please, I'm referring this person. Anyway, Mzansi, till I say again, please do not forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload any videos, you guys do not miss anything. Bye bye, Mzansi.